Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math, question number 75. The value of the digit 2 in 421,356 is 这个题问我们的是数字2在我们的421356里边它表达的值是多少？2 is here and through this question, I've let you guys to know the difference between the value of the digit or the place value of the digit. 在这道题里面，我会让大家分清楚什么是 value， 还有什么是叫做的 place value。这两个东西是不一样的。The value of the digit or the place value of the digit. The value of, as the question shows, of the digit 2 in 421356 is 20,000. This is called value of the digit. But for the place value of the digit 2 in the same number, it is place value is 10,000. I'll call 10,000. is a place value， 或者说我们叫它是第几个数位啊 10,000. So the answer to this question is option 2 here, 20,000. 大家一定要明白，它数字2代表的值和 the place value of the digit 是两个问题。当然，如果说我们的这一位，他问的是 the value of the digit 1 in this number, it is 1,000 or the place value it is thousands. 这是数位代表的值是 thousands。可能这时候你如果用数字来表达，这两个答案是一样的，但是对于这个2这个地方就不一样了，所以大家一定要分清楚它的区别在哪里。Okay? That is all for this question. This is Teacher J. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.